Understanding the phrase, home team. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly used phrase in English, home team. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in your conversations. The term, home team, is primarily associated with sports. In sports contexts, 1. Every match has two sides or teams. 2. One is playing on their own ground or in their own city. This is the home team. 3. The other is visiting from another location. This is the away team or visiting team. For example, if the New York Yankees are playing a baseball game in New York against the Boston Red Sox, the Yankees are the home team because they are playing in their own city. Outside of sports, home team can be used in a figurative sense to refer to a group of people from a particular place or organization that someone feels loyal or connected to. 1. In a business context, if you visit a company's headquarters, the employees there might be referred to as the home team. 2. In personal contexts, if you're talking about a group of friends from your hometown, they could be your home team. Let's see how home team can be integrated into everyday sentences. 1. We're playing on our own field today, so we're the home team. 2. When it comes to choosing between brands, I always support the home team and buy local products. 3. Even though I've moved to a new city, I'll always cheer for my home team in the soccer league. There you have it. The phrase, home team, is not just confined to sports but can be applied in various situations. It signifies loyalty, belonging, and familiarity. We hope this video clarifies its usage for you. Happy learning, and always remember, keep supporting your home team in all walks of life.